What's up, guys? My name is Marie, and I'm so excited to welcome you all to Debutify's webinar about launching an e-com business. For those of you who don't know about Debutify yet, we are a team of e-com experts that are passionate about helping entrepreneurs like you succeed in the world of e-commerce. In this webinar, we're going to go over some basic but crucial information that will help you get your e-com business off the ground. So let's dive right in. Launching an e-commerce business. It's not an easy task, but it can be super rewarding. With the rise of online shopping and the increased demand for convenience, e-com is a great industry to get into. So first, let's talk about what exactly is e-com and what is not e-com, right? So in simpler terms, e-commerce is building, buying, and selling online products. You know, when you buy something on Amazon or on any other online store, that's e-commerce. And there are different types of e-com businesses. Some businesses sell physical products, while others sell digital products. And some businesses also offer services or combine both the physical and digital products. One of the benefits of having an e-com business is that it is open 24/7, so you can make sales while you sleep. Plus, e-com businesses have lower overhead costs compared to the traditional brick and mortar businesses. And now that you understand what that means, let's talk about building your own e-com business. The first step is to identify your niche and target audience. Your niche is your area of expertise or your passion, and your target audience is the group of people you want to sell your products to. It's important to have a clear understanding of who your target audience is so that you can create a marketing strategy that resonates with them. Next, you'll need to create a business plan. Your business plan should include your mission statement, your marketing plan, financial projections, and other important information that will guide your business. So choosing an e-commerce platform is also crucial. An e-commerce platform is a software solution that allows you to create an online store and manage your business. There are many e-commerce platforms out there, so it's important to choose one that fits your budget and your needs. And of course, you have to design your website, right? So designing a website is also super important. Your website is your online storefront, and it's where your customers will go out and learn more about your products and make purchases. So it's important to have a website that's visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for search engine. If you need someone or something to help you with that, you should try Debutify, and you can try it free for 14 days. Next is payment and shipping options. They're very crucial for your e-com business, and you need to provide your customers with a safe and convenient way to pay for their purchases. And you need to have a reliable shipping system in place to ensure that your products are delivered on time and in good condition. Last but not least, inventory management is important for your e-com business. You need to keep track of your inventory levels to ensure that you have enough products to fulfill your customers' orders. It's important to have a system in place that allows you to track your inventory and reorder products when necessary. So now let's actually talk about how to launch an e-com business. First, one of the most important things is to create a strong online presence. This means having a website that is user-friendly and easy to manage. And you also need to optimize your website for search engines so that your potential customers can easily find you. You can also use social media to promote your products and engage with your audience. Don't forget to add high-quality product photos, reviews, and testimonials to attract more customers. And if you need help with that, we also have another webinar for you guys about how to take good product photos with just your phone or with just the things that you have at home. Now, it's time to talk about marketing strategies for your e-com business. There are many ways to promote your products, but the most important thing is to know your target audience. Once you've identified your target audience, you can use social media marketing, influencer marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach them. My best bet would always be going through organic marketing. So if you can make really good content, that's the best and most sustainable way to actually get sales. And you can also use content marketing to educate your customers about your products and your brand. Remember, guys, consistency is key when it comes to marketing. The launch is the most exciting part of starting an e-com business. Guys, you just can't open your store and hope to create buzz and around your launch and attract potential customers. That doesn't happen that way. So you can do this by offering a special promotion or discount code for the first few customers. You can also collaborate with influencers to promote your products. And you can host a launch party or a live stream or showcase your products and answer customer questions. Remember to keep your website and social media up to date with the latest information about your launch. And if you want to stand out in the e-com market, you need to offer something unique. You can do this by offering personalized products or services, creating a niche product that no one else is offering, or partnering with other businesses for a cross promotion. You can also focus on your brand story and values to connect with your customers on a deeper level. So remember, creativity and innovation is key. All right, friends, it's time to get innovative with your e-com business and in your promotions. So you have to offer, you can offer a free gift with a purchase or run a social media contest or create a referral program for your customers. You can also use something like, very unique like augmented reality or virtual reality just to showcase your products. And you can create a pop-up store or a mobile store to reach new customers. The possibilities for these innovative ways are endless. So the more creative that you are, the better it will be. And if you want to increase sales for your e-com business, you need to think outside the box. You can offer limited edition or exclusive products, create a loyalty program for repeat customers, or offer a subscription service for your products. You can also use upselling and cross-selling techniques to increase the average order value. Remember, the more value you can offer to your customers, the more likely they are to make a purchase. All right, guys, it's time to wrap things up. We hope you found this webinar helpful for launching your e-com business. Remember, creating a successful e-com business takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. We encourage you to check out our other webinars to learn more about e-commerce and online marketing. And don't forget that Debutify offers a 14-day free trial so that you can test out how your website would look with our platform. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Marie, and we hope to connect with you again in our next webinar. Bye!